Hello, my name is Dustin Green, and we're at PM Hobbycraft, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Traxxas HOSS. This is an extremely cool vehicle. It is a new addition to the Traxxas lineup, and it is most likely like the Traxxas Rustler. But before we begin, let's just crack her open and see what we got. Okay, so at first glance, we got the styrofoam, and we got the remote sitting just inside there. Looks like your pretty standard Traxxas transmitter. Comes with the set as well as the menu button. You got a couple of trims, as well as it does have the TQI option on it as well. All right, so now for the beast. Oh wow, look at this guy. Oh, this is beautiful. The graphics design of the body, it's nice and simple, but still looks aggressive. So this truck is really neat. So it's got a new Velineon design from Traxxas, and it's called the Velineon XL system. So it's a 540 size motor that looks like a 550 size motor. This vehicle is tons and tons of power, 4S LiPo on these Sledgehammer tires. It's super fun stuff. All right, now let's open the body here. Come up, there we go. Oh wow, look at the shine on that one there. This is beautiful. No, this truck is gonna be crazy to drive, guys. It also comes stock with the rails there, as well as you got the ones that sit on the box here. So when you're sliding across the concrete, you're not gonna be wrecking your body, and you're spending a lot less money on the bodies. All right, and at first glance, this vehicle is beautiful. Comes stock with a wheelie bar. Such an aggressive look on this guy, and it's got a nice wide frame too. Sits real nice and low, so taking corners is going to feel really nice. Yeah, it runs off of 4S. Got the Velineon VXL system in there, as well as you got the encased drive shaft. So this vehicle is super special. So this is a mixture between the Traxxas Stampede and the Traxxas Rustler, but it looks more like the Rustler, the 4x4 Rustler to be specific. Now this vehicle is sweet. So it does not have the stadium truck design that the Rustler does, but it does have the monster truck design like the Stampede. Now this allows you to get higher jumps. It allows you to be more aggressive on the tread. It's an all-around great vehicle to drive. You can catch all the reviews on Traxxas's YouTube channel. Comes stock with the Traxxas receiver. Everything's waterproof, ready to go for you. So the length reaches about 20 inches, width reaching about 13 inches. Height of this vehicle, it reaches about 8.5 inches. So it sits pretty nice and really easy to drive. It comes with the same design for the body as the new Rustler 4x4, as well as the Traxxas Max. So it does not have any body clips, but yet instead has a intricate design for a body clipless body system. So it's really simple. You got this lip on the front of the body that's going to slide in to the very front shock tower right there. It's a little rectangle space for you to put it into. And then as long as you have the flap open on the back, it's going to release this little clip. And so you can see how it moves there, and so you're going to be able to grab onto the rear shock tower there, and that's how the body is going to go on. So it's going to be pretty simple. So the front's going to slide in just like so, and then you're going to push it forward a tad, let the back sit in, hold down the clamp, lock it in place, and your body's all good to go. So that's the Traxxas HOSS, everybody. Thank you for viewing, and please leave a like and subscribe. And visit our website at www.pmhobbycraft.ca. And you guys have a great day, everybody.